Aman, sir. Ayan.
Malakas talaga yung ulan.
Yes, ayan.
Umaambon dito sa
At
loob.
syempre, meron pa tayong request na tarong. Request by
Tarong?
Sir Marlon and Ma'am Marian Alicante. Ayan at syempre, thank you so much Sir Larry sa pagbigay ng compliments para sa kantang Biag Ti Hawaiano. Yes, and this time I would like to give you another special requested song coming from Sir Marlon and Ma'am Marian Alicante.
Yun, ah.
Alright!
Matipid chatling, clase kitaro, at the violet, puro que curite.
to Sir Marlon and Ma'am Marian.
Oy! You know, binigyan natin sila ng 2 talong. Ito
Thank you so much, Sir Larry.
maraming salamat, Sir Larry. More bitter to come.
More blue bills to come.
Ayun ang lakas ng ulan. Pero kahit malakas, ayan, tuloy pa rin ang kaligayahan. Oo. And of course, in this time, ayan, bigyan natin ulit sila ng another request song. Ayan, palakpakan naman po tayo dyan. You know? O yung hindi pumalakpak, may anghit.
Sige. Kayo. Ayan, this song is dedicated to Sir Cads and Christy
Geng, geng.
Nunez. Ayan.
Mga updated tong mga batang to. Isang A naman dyan! A!
Kahit wala ng pera, mag-A ka.
Oo.
Yay! Kasi magkakapera kapag nag-A ka.
Yun Alright.
Okay, and this time I'd like to give you another requested song. And this time it's dedicated once again to
Sir Cads and Christy Nunez.
Yes na Yes.
This is something from Bon Jovi. It's hard for me to say the things I want to say sometimes. There is no one here but you and me, and the broken old street lights lock the doors, leave the world outside. 'Cause all I got to give to you are these 5 words tonight. Thank you for loving me, for being my eyes when I couldn't see, for biting my lips when I couldn't breathe. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for loving me. You, I had a dream until that dream was you. When I look into your eyes, the sky is different blue. Cross my heart, I burn out the skies. If I try, you make believe that you believe my lies. Thank you for loving me. My eyes, when I couldn't see, for biting my lips when I couldn't breathe. Thank you for loving me. You pick me up when I fall down. You ring the bell before they count me out. If I was running, you were by the sea, and risk your life to rescue me. And once again, the song is dedicated to Sir Cass and Mom Christy. Lock the doors, leave the world outside. 'Cause all I've got to give to you are these 5 words tonight. Thank you for loving me, for being my eyes. Oh,
so much,
Thank you
sir.
so much po. More requests to come.
Okay. May request pa, sir?
Oo, parang kailangan ni sir ng ng songbook para marami siyang mabili. Alright, ayan. Ano naman po yung mga request natin dito para naman alam po namin kung ano po yung mga kagustuhan ninyo. Ha? Ayan, mga ladies dito, yung mga ganda dito. Si Charmaine.
Pop-up doll ka, no?
Pop-up doll? Wag, baka mabundol.
Honey, my love, so sweet.
Okay. Ayan. And of course, magpasalamat ulit tayo sa Alicante family, lalo-lalo na kay
Yes.
Mama,
Mer-
Sir Dennis
And Ma'am Merlina.
Dina
Ayan
Alicante.
o, si Ma'am.
Ayan. And of course, congratulations to you,
Charmaine.
Dapat sumayaw na tayong lahat. Alam niyo, tumatakbo po yung oras. Okay. Yung Ilocano remix. Para kay
Ilocano
Sir Darwin
remix.
Nunez. Okay.
Remix?
Yung remix natin.
O yung
na-
disco ba? Yung sunod-sunod na
Ah,
Ilocano.
Alas tres, ganon.
Oo,
Sige, sige.
Sige, bigay natin.
Yes,
Yung-
magsayawan po tayong
Pag remix,
lahat.
sir, mas mahal.
DJ.
Yes! Magsayawan tayo lahat!
Ayun na! Catering section, come on!
Kapag nauawatin ka, oras, alas tres, di ba Nanginawan kapat parang natataanggan. Awan makabulot, dadakato'y puso. Sikalae, sikalae, biyak ko. Nanginawan kapat parang natataanggan. Awan makabulot, dadakato'y puso. Sikalae, sikalae, biyak ko. Sikalae, sikalae, biyak ko.
Yes! Sayaw na tayo!
Sulok man dayang kay tanang pera mo, karawat ang puso. Di mo pinanulong kay sakripisyo, rigat ko kanto. Lupa karagsakan, di panagsagapan, awang mabalin ko. Nung namnamain, agin akong kasapulan, siya kong naipatan. Lagi-lagi ben, awang kinakurangan, kinagpasulan. Tatuloy ay lang, ngayon parik na, bitawan mo mata. Nanding subat mo, nasaan kailan ko, pusok di sinugatan. Agis ken pangaos, tinaglinata, kintaman ng alila. Niyagsik ka, itasigong na, palubusan tangaron. Ngeno kontento, aldo nga babawi ka, pamakawan ko jak may panamnaman. Nung namnamain, agin akong kasapulan, siya kong naipatan. Lagi-lagi ben, awang kinakuranan, kinagpasulan. Tatuloy ay lang, ngayon parik na, bitawan mo mata. Nanding subat mo, nasaan kailan ko, pusok di sinugatan. Agis ken panaos, tinaglinata, kintaman ng alila. Agis ken panaos, tinaglinata, kintaman ng
Alright, ayan. Palakpakan naman po dyan.
Alright.
Mukhang
Yes.
nag-enjoy silang manood. And of course,
At
at
yun na
dahil
nga.
sa kantang remix,
Ilocano
Disco.
Nagbigay lang naman sila ng
$1,000
pesos!
Thank you so much.
You know, yung... Ano pa yung mga request natin dyan, sir? Habang marami pa tayong oras. Oo.
Okay. May request si Sir Dandan Alicante. Yan. Sayaw na ka pa!
Yeah!
Come on, girls!
dance in the crowded room. At the end of the day, making love to a paper moon. And she said, boys do fall in love. Take the time, take the love on a Saturday night. And she said, hearts beat as they dance in the street to the radio. Fall in love. Baby knows I like to get excited. No one wants to fight it. It's getting late, so I just demonstrate. Don't cry now. Oh, don't cry now. And we try to be cool as we dance in the crowded room. At the end of the day, making love to a paper moon. And she said, boys do fall in love. Take their time, take their love on a Saturday night. And she said, hearts beat as they dance in the street to the radio. Oh, boys do fall in love. Take their time, take their love on a Saturday night. And she said, hearts beat as they dance in the street to the radio. Oh, boys fall in love. Oh, boys. Boys, 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 boys do fall in love. Take their time, take their love on a Saturday night. And she said, hearts beat as they dance in the street to the radio. Oh, boys do fall in love. Take their time, take their love on a Saturday night. And she said, hearts beat as they dance in the street to the radio. Oh, boys do fall in love. Take their time, take their love on a Saturday night. And she said, hearts beat as they dance in the street to the radio.
Alright. And
Okay.
of course, ayun, maraming salamat po sa pag-request ng girl. Just wanna have fun. You know? Maraming.
Ayan, baka may
Salamat
request pa
po.
kayo, sir. Ano po yun, sir? Ayan, may request sila dito na pagsalaan ka no ni Sir Dennis and Ma'am Charmy. Ayan, pagsalaan ni Sir Dennis and Ma'am Charmaine. Here's one.
When I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Turn up the stairs, he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'll play a song that yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, final dance with him, I'll play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I love, love, love dance with my father again. Sometimes I listen outside the door, and I hear how mama would cry for him. And I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send her the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, this is all I ever dream.
All right, and that song is requested coming from Ma'am Leonora Alicante.
Yes, requested by Ma'am Leonora.
Alicante.
Recarte. Thank you
Ayan.
so much.
Maraming salamat po. Ayan. Thank you so much, sir. Ayan. Alright. Ano pa yung mga request naman dito? Ano ba yung mga gusto ninyo? Gusto niyo na bang sumayaw?
Or baka gusto nilang maki-jam sa atin.
Oo. Sa mga
Mga
gusto rin
gustong-
makijam, ayan. Pwede po. Huwag po kayong mahiya.
Yan, si Ma'am Charmaine, baka gusto mong kumanta. Ha?
Budots? Gusto
Ay.
mo sumayaw ng budots? DJ Ray, bigyan naman natin sila ng budots.
Pop, pop, pop.
Baka ano, yung request nila kanina na pakpak doll.
Oo, yun.
Oo.
Ito muna.
Basta la Bizares,
Ay,
idol! I fly high, butterfly.
Or pwede kayong sumayaw.
Fly high, butterfly.
ako meron pa.
Tapos,
Yan yung request ni Ma'am Charmaine na bodots.
budots.
Oo. Yan.
Pero di sumayo si Ma'am Charmaine, ha?
Hindi sumayaw, nag-video lang.
Ano pa yung gusto mo, Ma'am Charmaine?
Gusto mong kumanta, Ma'am Charmaine?
Dancing
Oh,
Queen?
yun, Dancing Queen daw.
Pero dapat, para kantayin namin yun, sumayaw ka.
Sumayaw ka.
Oo.
Gaya ni,
Parang ano lang yan, parang password dapat, ay parang cellphone lang yan, dapat may password. Pag sumayaw siya, kakantayin namin. Alright, ayan, ibigyan na natin yung request nila na Dancing Queen.
You can dance, having the time of your life.
Charmaine.
Hanggang ngayon, nagkakahiyaan pa sila. Dapat ano yung... Mas masaya sana kung punong-puno dito, di ba?
Oo.
Parang ang...
Yes.
Wow, thank you so
Maraming
much
salamat
po.
po. At dahil sa Dancing Queen,
Nagbigay lang naman si ma'am na.
Berlina ng...
2,000 pesos! Itagdag mo, itagdag mo. Itag-itag, itagdag. Itagdag mo, itagdag mo. Wow!
Thank you so much.
Itagdag mo! Yes,
Okay.
ayan. At syempre, meron silang request dito galing kay Sir Renato and Ma'am Rowena Bugayon na My Way.
My way.
Oh my
It's
God.
your way.
It's not my way.
Norway. All right.
Tayo yung kakanta o siya yung kakanta?
Tayo.
Nagtuloy tayo, guys.
My way.
Okay, sige. Ito na. Huwag kang magtago, ah.
Yes, to Sir Renato and Ma'am Rowena Bugayon.
Yung mga...
Ayan,
Basta
mabalay.
at the back, ayan. Sana naman sumayaw po kayo.
Yes.
Now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll make it clear. I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I live lives that's cool. I travel each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets I had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and so it true, without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure you knew when I bit off more than I could chew, and through it all, when I was down, I let it up and spit it out. I face it all, and did it my way. I laughed and cried. I had my fear, my share of losing, and now as the tears subside, I think it's all oh so amusing. Think that I met, and my eyes say is a man. What has he got? If not himself, then he has not left his words on of someone who lives. The record shows I took the blows and did it my way. All right, so from Frank Singh, thank you so much for requesting.
Alright, ayan, maraming salamat po sa pag-request ng kantang yan, My Way. At sino ulit yung nag-request?
Ayan, to Sir
Si
Renato and Ma'am Rowena
Sir Renato.
Bugayon.
Alright, maraming salamat po, Sir Renato. Dahil sa
Yes.
kantang yan, nagbigay siya ng
1,000
1,000 pesos!
pesos!
Alright, thank you so much.
Baka may request pa, sir. Ilabas mo na lahat yung mga request mo, sir. Kayo, sir, baka may request. O baka naman may request si Sir Dennis at si Ma'am Merlina. Ma'am, baka may request po kayo, ma'am. Yung theme song nyo pong dalawa or love song nyo pong dalawa.
And of course, ayan, magpasalamat tayo sa Alicante family at sa mga hindi pa po nag-follow sa aming bagong Facebook account.
Yes, i-follow nyo lang po ang aming Facebook account, RNB Band-New Page. Yun
Yes,
po.
at naka-live po tayo ngayon. I-follow nyo po kami at mapanood nyo po itong live natin
Yes,
ngayon.
and pwede po kayo mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel na RNB The Side Street Band.
Yes,
Thank you,
ayan. At
thank you
may
so
request
much.
si Nestor Ranada.
Sir Nestor, asan si Sir Nestor Ranada?
Nasa Hawaii, inay.
Si Sir Ranada, tagalawag po ba? O taga dito po?
Pinili.
Ay, pinili.
May request siya na agurayak biyag ko.
Ay, so sabat. Kasta nga talaga, no, adadeti labo ito. Dapat ko makaururay ka.
Wait.
Patience.
Agan-anus ka. Kasjay. An-anusak, kuna namet DJ.
May
Agururay no wa.
Yes, sabi nga nila, patience is a virtue. Hoy?
Ngayon po na Mano, DJ, imbati na idikwan nga uwingnan. May mesa. Kumus, wen. Idikwan ket aping nga to. Nagbalimed nga duwan, talon.
Oh, mamaya po.
Ay,
Yes.
okay ka. Okay,
Sir, ibigay mo na lang yan
Ito na
para
yung
ano.
aguray ang
Aguray
biyag
ah.
ko. Dete. Agsala tayo amin apo kat nakapimpintas deti nga kanta nga aguraya. Okay. At sa mga R&B believers all over the world na nanonood po sa ating lahat. Ayan. Magandang gabi umaga sa inyong lahat.
Yes. Hello sa ating 120 viewers.
Wow.
Sir Dennis and Ma'am Marina, yan naman.
Yes! To Sir Nestor Ranada.
Dati ko kayong sumayaw.
When Tinitag mo na ika'y puso. Dapat na awan mo si ko. Agurea, biyak ko. Agurea, kisasapin mo. Maasya ka, kaligaria. Rinabing nga ang sangsangita. Maasya ka, kaligaria. Rinabing nga ang sangsangita.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa binigay na compliments ni Sir Denny. Sir Dennis. At meron pang nagbigay for the second time around. Ayan yung Celos.
Oh, ayan. Paborito na
Silos.
ng silos ba?
Oo, Silos.
Yes! Magsayaw naman tayo lahat dyan!
Come on, Charmaine! Charmaine, come on!
Sayaw!
Nakikita ko bang kasama na
Oh, check.